Medieval TI. I would like to share with you what I use for work, and it's my LCD write-in tablet from Mafiti. I like these tablets because you can just use it for anything you want, including for kids. It's very fun to use for kids, super easy to use, and it comes with a pen. What I like about this Mafiti comes, for example, with this button right here where you can locked or unlocked, and these are the 8.5 inch. They're very they're not super big, they're not super small, they're very useful in my case for my work. I need to take notes, but I cannot have the notes with me. With this, I don't have to use paper. I just write what I want, and just with a simple click it will delete everything. This one is very helpful because I just don't have paper with me. I just have my tablet, and I really love it. You can use it with kids, as I said. They're gonna have fun. I just recommend you to try this Mafiti tablet, but that's my point of view.